Tired of your iPhone videos looking like they were filmed with a potato? Let's fix that. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. This is where all the magic happens. Scroll down until you find Camera. It should be somewhere in the middle. Tap on it to open the camera settings. Now, tap on Record Video. This is where you choose the resolution and frame rate of your videos. You'll see a list of options. For good quality, I recommend choosing at least 1080p HD at 60 fps. This gives you a smooth, clear image. If you want even better quality, select 4K at 30 fps or 4K at 60 fps. Keep in mind 4000 takes up a lot of space. Also make sure to turn on Record Stereo Sound. This is another option that should be turned on by default, but just double check in the settings. Go back to the main camera settings menu and tap on Formats. Make sure High Efficiency is selected. This format saves your videos in HEVC, which uses less storage without sacrificing quality. If compatibility is an issue, select Most Compatible to record in older format. Finally, make sure you're filming in good lighting. Natural light is best. Avoid backlighting, where the light source is behind your subject. Keep your lens clean, and hold your phone steady or use a tripod. And there you have it. Follow these simple steps and your iPhone videos will look amazing. Happy filming!